The future is here with the all-new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This sleek and powerful device is packed with cutting-edge features that are sure to impress. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the Galaxy S23 Ultra and give you our first impressions of this amazing new device. We'll show you all its key features, compare it to its predecessor, the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and give you our thoughts on what makes the S23 Ultra stand out from the competition. So, if you're curious about the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and want to see what it has to offer, sit back, relax, and join us as we explore this revolutionary new device. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is expected to launch in Q1 of 2023, and the leaked images suggest that it will have a thin metal frame with a new design. The back panel confirms that the layout cameras will remain the same, which means that the lenses are still placed above the rear panel. There's also presence of wireless coil for wireless charging, which is a great addition. A Twitter user has suggested that the front screen will be flat, similar to last year's Galaxy S22. Furthermore, the display size for the S23 Ultra is expected to be 6.8 inches, and it will reportedly come with an AMOLED panel with QHD+ resolution. The flat front screen of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will provide users with a more immersive experience when playing games or watching movies. It has a thin metal frame. The newly leaked images of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra also suggest that it will feature a thin metal frame. This frame appears to be finished with a matte finish, as opposed to the polished chrome featured on the last year's Galaxy S22 phone. The left side of the frame looks quite sleek, without any buttons or other components visible. On the other hand, the right side of the phone appears to have volume and power buttons and a larger cutout for mmWave 5G antenna. The mmWave 5G antenna is crucial as it enables faster data speeds on 5G networks. This enhanced connectivity will allow users to stream media and enjoy fast connections with no lag or buffering. The new frame can also provide users with better signal reception and a stronger signal strength due to its design. In addition, the matte finish of the frame should make it more durable than the previous model's chrome-plated design. This added protection could be useful for people that frequently move around or use their device outdoors, as they won't have to worry about scratches or dents. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra appears to be a promising device with its thin metal frame and enhanced 5G antenna. With its sleek design and improved connectivity capabilities, it looks like this phone will be well suited for those looking for a powerful and reliable device that can handle all their needs. We'll have to wait for the official launch of the phone to find out for sure, but it certainly looks like Samsung's on a good path with this new device. The images suggest that this latest model will feature an all-screen display with thin frames around the edge. This indicates that although Samsung does not yet have the technology to hide the front camera under the screen, they're continuing to push for a cutting-edge design. The S23 Ultra could also feature an S Pen, allowing users to take advantage of the larger display size and draw, annotate, or create digital art. In addition, the flat-screen design will provide a comfortable feel for its users. With more features and technology packed into this device than ever before, Samsung looks to be taking the next step in its flagship series. Incredible display innovations. In its relentless pursuit of display innovation, Samsung is once again pushing the boundaries with the upcoming release of the Samsung S23 Ultra. Featuring LTPO 3.0 technology and boasting a remarkable 2200 nits of peak brightness, this cutting-edge device promises to be unlike anything we've seen before in terms of display capabilities. Despite not being released until the first quarter of 2023, the hype around this incredible device is already growing. With such impressive specs and Samsung's reliable track record on innovation, it certainly has all the hallmarks of a game-changing display device. We can't wait to see what it brings to the table. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching our video on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. We hope you enjoyed our first impressions of this amazing new device and that you now have a better understanding of its key features and capabilities. Whether you're a die-hard Samsung fan or just looking for a powerful and feature-packed smartphone, the S23 Ultra is definitely worth considering. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one.